Recently, I asked some guys some guys want to send a crypto and then through Binance, and then I sent them a Binance email. I said, okay, send it through this email, and they're like, David, I asked you to send my crypto address and your ID, and you're sending email. What do I do with email? All right, I immediately figured out probably they don't know that you can send and receive crypto on Binance through your email address. And that will help you evade some fees. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send and receive coin on Binance using your email address. Besides your crypto ID, your crypto address, which sometimes could be a lot more buggy, all right, trying to recognize the last digit, trying to know, you could actually send and receive crypto on Binance using just your email. So let's just check the video right now. Please, before you move on with this video, please, I'll oblige you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then comment. Your comment is very much important. I see a lot of y'all sending me message on Instagram telling me how good my channel is, how you love my video, but you're not subscribing, you're not commenting. Please comment, watch my videos, all right, and push it as much as possible so that we can grow, all right. We're on our way to 10K, and we can't wait. I can't wait to see this channel at 10K. That would be my greatest joy. So let's just check it right now. It's a simple video.
So firstly, let us go to Binance right now and check it out. When you open your Binance account, the first thing you have to do is click on the wallet. When you click on wallet, every single thing on your wallet, on P2P, on spot wallet, on future will be displayed through this overview. It will be shown here. All right. So what most persons want to do is they click on deposit, and then they choose whatever coin they want to deposit. Let me assume it's USDT, and then they copy these addresses, which when you are doing that, you have to take note of the particular network you're actually operating with. Either you're operating for USDT, either you're operating with Tron network, Solana network, BEP20 network, that's Smart Chain network, BEP2 network. Or when you're operating with BEP2 network, make sure that you take note of the USDT memo. All right, then we have the Ethereum, and then the AVAX chain, AVAX C chain. All right, so now what most persons want to do is to copy this address or scan directly. If the address is close by, if the scan ID is close by, they scan directly. All right, so why sending coin to a fellow Binance, someone who also uses Binance? You can actually send coin to them through uh, their email without having to copy this wallet address, this complicated wallet address, because most times just entering a digit in between that wallet, this wallet address, can cause a lot of havoc, can make you lose your coin forever. So now what you want to do in that case is you click on this transfer option. Now this transfer options helps you to move your coin from spot wallet to P2P. First of all, you have to move the coin to P2P, because the option where you are able to do that is through the P2P option. So let me scroll this way and then click on P2P. Now your own Binance may be updated version, and it will be showing funding wallet. In that funding wallet you have P2P. All right, so you could still do the same thing from the funding wallet. So you just have to click on funding wallet. All right, so I click on transfer here. When you click on transfer, you see two options pops up: transfer and then send. Now this transfer, this first transfer you're seeing here, means that you want to send coin from P2P to a spot wallet, and from spot wallet to P2P, back and forth. All right, if I tap on it, you see the same thing. Instead I'm sending coin, just the same thing I tapped on initially from the spot wallet. So sending coin back and forth. All right, but if the first one, you say you can send your asset to other Binance account holders, note once the asset is sent, it cannot be returned. All right, so if I tap on it here, so I could, with this method, I could actually send coin to someone through their email. You could see some list of emails that I've actually operated with right here, that are actually stored here. You can see they are written as recent transaction. Most cases I might have to blur some part of their email so that some persons might not just copy them. All right, so if let me assume I'm operating with this email, or let me just put in a random email. Let me just type what. Now all you have to do is to enter the person's email. Funny enough, you could as well send to a phone number. All right, send to another Binance and through their phone number, but let's operate with email because this video is just for email. So I just tap in here, put the person's email, so which I just did right now, and then it will take me to this section where I'll have to select the particular coin I want to send. So if I tap on Shiba Inu, so all I need to do is to enter the amount, either enter maximum if I want to send, or enter the particular quantity. And then if you want to add note, you can add note, but I've never added note, all right, because it's optional. All right, so once you hit confirm, send a code to your email and send a code to your phone as usual, and the coin is sent to this person, to the person that you want to send your coin to. All right. This is just a demonstration video. I'm not sending coin to anybody right now. All right. But if you want to send to me, my address is always displayed in the description. All right. Maybe if you want to support the channel or sponsor any of the video. All right. So that's just the simple way to send coin to another Binance user using your email. So it's not every time you have to use the address. Using address, most times you stand the chance of spending some amount in fees, but sending through email, you avoid anything fee. Like there's nothing like fees. All right, there's nothing like fees. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.